struggle to get that perfect position when you're sewing your Ami pieces together? It's the worst when that piece is the focal point of your project, like the muzzle on this monkey Lovey. But in my monkey Lovey pattern, I show you how to work part of the muzzle into the head as you crochet it, just to help you out a little. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get crocheting.
This is round 7 of the head, and it starts with a single crochet into the first 25 stitches. Once you're done with that, we can start working in the muzzle.
Before we join the muzzle, I need to explain something important. Those 25 single crochets that you started the round with should put you almost near the center of the face. We're going to need 10 stitches to work the muzzle into the head, and those 10 stitches should be centered on the face. So if those next 10 stitches don't give you that centered look, feel free to make some adjustments by crocheting a few more or ripping out a few. Okay, now let's go work in that muzzle.
Insert your hook into the marked stitch on the muzzle and the next stitch on the head and single crochet them together. You'll work the muzzle into the head by single crocheting through the next available stitches on the muzzle and the head 9 more times. Sometimes I need to flip the muzzle piece to really see those stitches on the head and make sure I'm going into the right ones. So just take your time with this and make sure your hook isn't grabbing the bottom edge of that muzzle. Once that's done, working back into the head only, single crochet into the remaining 25 stitches.
You might be asking yourself, why don't I just sew on the muzzle afterward? And you could do that if you like, but joining the muzzle in or joining part of that muzzle in now kind of holds it in place as you later then sew around the edges. It's important to remember that we're going to stuff the top portion of the muzzle only. So if you don't have that middle section joined in now, that stuffing could escape into the lower muzzle and just completely misshape the whole thing. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work in part of the face patch, and then you'll really see the face come together. Thanks for crocheting with me today, and thanks for watching.